today. I want to say a couple of things, Sam. Then I'm gonna have to go long today. So thank you for listening.
All right, no problem.
Thanks, Joseph. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hey, Sam. I need to make sure that everyone knows I did not call you up and say, hey, call the dividing line today.
No, I called because I just wanted to. I know your time is running out. I didn't want to bother you, but I just wanted to mention something in 573 to 75. And I don't, because I got to hear the debate live, I didn't write down any notes. But do you recall?
Oh, you did write down notes. They're called emails to me that were way too long for me to read, even during the break. So
here's what they did: that Unitarians make better arguments against the Trinity in the Quran.
Right.
Comes up and says, "Well, Craig makes better arguments against atheism in the Bible."
Right.
Maybe you can just address that, what I consider to be a gross misunderstanding of your position in a cheap shot, and that'll be it for me. Maybe
I did not choose to interpret it as a cheap shot. I didn't have an opportunity to respond to it because it was in the